We got the miner. Now, I gotta share something with you. We came the other day, didn't win anything. Came today with a budget of only $60. Put in my first 20, and we got the miner. I was about to give up, so let's go. Woo, I can breathe a little bit. Nice, we're on 2 cents to now, $1 back. Wait, just because I got the miner does not mean you have to stop. I'll take the menu too. Got one more, please? Don't stop. Come on. Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. One more. All I need is one more. Come on. Come on, one more. Yay! Yes. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. One more. Let's go. One more. Let's go. Come on. Yay. Let's go. One more. Let's go. One more. Yes. There's a whole $10 at the top. I'll take that too. Actually, yes. Yay. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Come on. Yay. Let's go. You can give me $10. Come on. One more. I just need one more for $10. Come on. Let's go. One more. Let's go. One more. Let's go. I'll take it. I can breathe. Everybody who gambles knows what that feeling is like. Let's go. Look, this is where I'm at now. I'm going to do some backup spins. I haven't figured out where I'm going to cash out yet. We'll see. But we started with $60 today. We're going to see how far we go. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. They are jamming in the casino today. It's early in the morning. Come on. Okay. I'll be back if we get anything else. When we gonna speak that, manifest it. When we get something else, I'll be back. Alright. This is where I left off. I decided I'm gonna go to 10 cents and we're gonna play down to 150. And we'll see what happens. I'll cash out at 150. I'll put 150 up, and then I'll play with the 100. So let's do that. All right, here we go. Okay. Thank you for something. Come on. Only got a few more spins. I'm cashing out. Keeping my 50 for real, for real. Thank you. 2, 1 more. That bidding is 126. All right. Where were you last spin? Only got a few more spins. 2. I should have stayed on $1. Oh, okay, one more. Yay! All right. 2. Oh, I said the wrong number. Come on. One more. Yay. Let's do okay. Last spin. Not the last spin. You can do it. One more. Give it to me. Oh, all right. Cashing out. I got one of those boxes, gambling box, and I put my money up. So at least I put up the money that I go home with the money that I came with. All right, y'all. Let's go to the next game. All right, we came to the next machine, which is the Lightning Link, the suitcase Vegas one. I don't know what that's called. But we're on nickels. And put a 20 in. And we just left the Firelink game. Let's go. Come on. Wait. Hold on. You can do it. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. This is a great bonus. We're having a great morning. Major would make it greater. Come on, give it to me. Come on, give it to me. Yay! One more. Let's go. Yes. I'll take the mini. I'll take the minor for real. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Yay! Yep. I get the congratulatory music. This one, $1.25 back, nickel. Yes. Had an instant animal. Come on. You acting like you want to do something. You can do it. Come on. All right. I'm going to switch it 10 seconds. I don't know why I'm sitting so far away. Maybe I should go to pennies and do $1.50. Yeah. Save my bankroll. Or 2 cents. Or I do $1.50. Penny. My honey bunny is with me. Let's go. All right, I don't like what this is looking like. I'm gonna try $1. Still building my bankroll. I'm not ready for crazy bets yet because eggs cost $95. So ain't nobody got time to be doing big bets right now. All right, I don't like what Penny's is doing. Let's go to 2 cents.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, I'm cashing out at 100. Come on.
Welcome.
This might be one and done. Try $2. Come on. All right, I might as well try 10 cents. All right. Come on. Come on. I can't go under 100. Let's try 1 cent. And 50 cents. Might give me enough to go back to 10 cents. Ooh, you really ain't doing nothing.
I'm having more fun watching you do that.
All right, we'll be back if we get something. Oh, I'm cashing out. Yee. All right, be back next game.